Hi, I'm Ryan from MapSearch, and this is the ENvision Solutions Episode 3, Help, I Need a Pipeline Map Now. I was actually recently at a conference and speaking with someone who completely enlightened me to a new way of using our product that we hadn't even really considered before, and I think I'll use that scenario for today's example. So hypothetically, if you were evaluating a region, a tract of land for exploration and production, and one of the factors you were considering was the proximity of the land to the nearest pipeline for transportation, you could use ENvision actually to locate those assets and determine that distance, and then even send a map out to the people in the field. So I'm going to switch over to ENvision now and show you how we can accomplish this. Alright, so now I'm on the ENvision mapping screen. You've seen that before if you've watched some of our other videos. And the first thing I'm going to do today, a little bit different from the other times we've done this, is I'm going to go to a specific location on the map. And not Odessa, Texas. So let's go to Blackwell, Oklahoma. They're doing some drilling up there in the Mississippi line. And I'll zoom out just a couple clicks, get a little bit wider range here. And I'm going to start by overlaying some land survey data. If I spell it correctly. There we go. Add that to the map. You can see we now have our blocks, township, and range here. And now I'm going to map the crude pipelines, which you've seen me do this before. But now we're going to do it in a specific region. And as you can see, you could even zoom in pretty close to just one section and see the proximity that the section has to various crude pipelines. Now obviously you'd want to see terminals and other things if you were doing this for real, but for today's demonstration, just wanted to show you how to do that. Now the other thing I want to show you is, now that you've built a map, how easy it is to actually save the map image and send it to a colleague or print it out. And to do that, all you have to do is go over here to Tools, under Export, click Save as Image, and it's going to render the map here in a small window that pops up. We'll click Save, and you should be familiar with this screen. I'm going to call it my Blackwell map. And you can choose your format, JPEG, PNG, there's a couple others I think you could choose from, and then of course where you want to save it. Click Save, and now you can use that to print out, put it into a PowerPoint presentation, email to a colleague, or whatever you want to do with it. Alright, let me switch back to my other screen here. And that wraps up today's episode. And I want to encourage you to check out our YouTube channel, where we will be posting videos regularly. The next video in our series will be entitled Customizing the Look of Your Map, and we'll get into how you can change the symbology and even upload your own symbols if you choose to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, mapsearch.com, or shoot us an email, sales@mapsearch.com. Thanks for watching.